Hi, I'm John with Behringer here at Sweetwater today to introduce you to the new XR series of digital mixers. There are 4 models total in the series: the X18, the XR18, the XR16, and the XR12. And today we're going to talk about the XR18. The XR18 is a digital mixer in a stage box form factor, which is really neat because we can just take this and place it right on stage where it needs to be, and then we can control the unit remotely from an iPad or an Android tablet or even a PC. So let's take a look at some of the features we have here. The XR18, as well as the other 2 XR models, XR12 and XR16, can be placed on stage, as we have these rugged bumpers here, or you can take these off and use the included rack kit, and you can mount this either forwards or even backwards in your rack, wherever you want your connections to be. So let's take a look at what we have on the front panel here of the XR18. We start with 16 Midas designed microphone preamps, and they also are on combo jacks, so you can connect either a 1/4 inch or XLR input here. Below that, we have 8 outputs total. That's going to be 6 outputs for your 6 aux sends, and then a main left and right output as well. And that's all on XLR jacks. And then we also have 2 additional inputs over here on 1/4 inch jacks. So as you can see, we don't have any controls on the unit because we control this wirelessly. And what's great about the XR series is that your Wi-Fi module is actually built right into the unit. So you don't have to worry about connecting an external router. You can just turn the unit on and connect, and you're ready to go. If you want to use an external router or make a direct connection to a PC computer, for example, you do have an Ethernet port available still to you. Also on the front panel, we have Ultranet connectivity, and this is for our P16 personal monitoring system, so it's fully compatible with that. And we also have a full 18x18 USB audio and MIDI interface for your computer for recording and playback. Rounding out the connectivity here, we have MIDI in and out, and of course we also have a headphone jack with a volume control. Looking at the main screen of the XR app, this is on the iPad, you can see that we have a full channel strip laid out pretty intuitively here. So right above the given channel, you can touch on either EQ or dynamics. So let's take a look at the gate, for example. You see the simplified mode. On the XR series, we've included both a simple and expert mode. So if it's your first time using these extra processors, you can start with the simple mode, or you can switch to expert and get the same kind of control you're used to on our X32 series of consoles. So once you're looking at a channel strip, you can just slide left and right here, bring up the dynamics, EQ, and that's going to be on every input strip. We also have a similar configuration on the output channels, so all your aux sends and your main left right have a 6-band parametric EQ, which can also switch to a graphic EQ. The XR series also features 4 stereo effects slots, and the plugins in these slots are the exact same plugins you're used to on the X32. So that means you have over 50 plugins, including high-end emulations of lexicon reverbs, for example, delays, many different compressors. So a lot of different options here you can use in these 4 slots. The XR series also offers the 100-band RTA, which we also include in our X32 series of digital consoles. So any kind of parametric EQ or graphic EQ you're looking at, you can just put the 100-band RTA right over that and analyze your signal. We're also very excited to not only be offering iPad control, but Android control as well. So we'll have an Android app available with the iPad app with the XR series. So you can use any device, even a $100 tablet. This is the XR18 from Behringer. If you'd like more information on this or any of the other XR mixers, please contact your Sweetwater sales engineer.